Guys, this is my makeup. This is my makeup set. It has eyeshadows, like blush, lipsticks, eyeshadow brushes, nail polishes, even a makeup brush, even lip glosses. The same. Now let's open it up. Oh, guys. Where's all the, and these are the lip glosses. Now the plastic. Ooh! The plastic. Oh, this blush is so cool. Oh, beautiful. Somehow here, Mia and eyelash and another brush. There's no lipstick. There's nail polishes, some more, some blush. It's getting windy out here. And we have the makeup brush, Mia, lip glosses. Now let's get on to the video. I'm going to choose this color. I'm using the yellow, lightish yellow. Good. Now I'm gonna use this. Put this back. I'm doing lip gloss. I think I'm gonna do the whatever it is. I'm gonna do it. And now I'm gonna do a hot pink. Lip gloss. You look pretty, guys. Now, back to the video. Now I'm gonna do the lip gloss. This is violet color, and I'm gonna put it on my nails. And I'm doing it. Oh. I'm brushing it on. No! Again. How did that get there? How did it get it? I am going to get it. There's more. Wiping the excess off. That's all for nail polish. Blush. Oh, I'm going to do this color. More. No, those rosy cheeks are coming up. Now I'm going to do like some white blush on this. Now those rosy cheeks are coming up. Doing blush. Oh, some blue. I'm doing eyeshadow. No anymore. Perfect. Okay, that's my look. These lip glosses, a makeup blush brush, and eyeshadow for lashes. And there's nail polish, a shaver for nails, and another like brush for these. Now let's get back to the video. Thank you. See you next time.